So my DeWalt cordless vacuum stopped working. This switch here, this is everything opened up, but this switch here started not being so responsive. So I opened this up, took the switch apart here, and both these contactors fell off. And I wasn't sure of their orientation in here. So I looked at how this switch operates. These, when you switch this back and forth, there's these two little kind of like springy contact or pressure points. And then I looked at the contactor on one side. There's a wear mark. So this goes facing up, and then also there's this little, looks like a copper contact point on one end of this metal strip, and then there's also a little dot in there on both sides. So I'm guessing it goes face up where you can see that wear mark, and that little copper dot goes in there. I'm going to try and very carefully put these back in and snap this side of the switch back together on the other side of the switch and see how it works. As I was getting ready to put this back together, I thought it'd be easier to disconnect these terminals here and flip the top side parallel with the floor. That way I can just snap this bottom side of the switch in place without these contacts falling out again. So I labeled these contacts. Each terminal has a number next to it, so I just labeled the female side of this terminal with the corresponding number. So hopefully that'll help me keep track of where these terminals go back when I'm done. This is how these little sliding contacts look once they're in. Just like that, how it goes into the other side of the rocker. These dots go on the off side. Right there. Oh, they just fell out. I'll put that back in. But the dots go on, where the dot is on the sliding contactor, it goes on the off side. I just put that switch back in, and I'm getting a really good on and off position. Before it wouldn't actually even let me push it in either. It was stuck on the off position, so I couldn't even push it into the on position. So I'm gonna hook this back up and see if it works. All right, I got everything back together, battery in. I'm gonna try and turn this on. That's perfect. So yeah, that saved me about 20 bucks just tinkering with that. There wasn't a video online to fix this, so I was just looking at it and thought I'd go along with this fix and document what I was doing. Anyway, sorry for the shaky camera. I hope this saves somebody 20 bucks.